Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.5 question number 8. Using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, find 103 into 104. Let us find. First question number 1. Question number 1 is 103 into 104. It can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 4 gives this identity that x plus a into x plus b into x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Let us take 100 as x. Therefore, the x square is 100 square, right? Plus a plus b. This is, suppose this is x. This is x, this is a, this is b, right? A plus b, that is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, a plus b into x is 100 plus ab. ab is 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Therefore, we are getting 1 0 0 0 0 plus 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 into 100 is 700 plus 3 4 is 12. We add this one 1 1 2 3 4 plus 700 plus 12. Then we are getting 2 1 7 0 1 10,712. Then we are getting 10,712. 712. And that is the answer of question number 1. Right? Now we solve question number 2. Now question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 5.1. 5.1 into 5.2. And it can be written as 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. And you will use this identity that x square is 5 square plus a plus b, that is 0.1 plus 0.2 into x, x is 5 plus ab is 0.1 into 0.2. Therefore, we are getting 5 into 5, that is 25 plus 0.1 plus 0.2 0.3. We multiply with 5. 3 5 is 15, that is 1.5. We are getting here as 1.5. And if we multiply 0.1 with 0.2, then we are getting 0.1 into 0.2, that is 0.02 plus 0.02. If we add all these numbers, that is 25.0 plus 1.5 plus 0.02, and we are getting 2. 5.5 plus 1 6, 26.52. Then we are getting the value here as 26.52, 26.52, and that is the answer of question number 2. Right? We will solve question number 3. Now we solve question number 3. Now you see question number 3 here is given as 103. That is 103. 103 into 98. 103 into 98. 103 into 98. It can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 2. We use this identity, right? If we use this identity, then we are getting x square, that is 100 square, plus a plus b, plus a plus b. A is 3 plus b plus, in bracket you can write minus 2. A plus b into x is 100 plus ab, a is 3 and b is minus 2, right? And we are getting 1 1 2 3 4 plus 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 100, that is 100, plus into minus is minus, minus 3 is 6, right? If we add this one, then you are getting 10,100 minus 6. If we subtract 10,100, subtract 6, 10,100, subtract 6 from here, we get 6, 4, carry 1, 9, carry 1, 1 on 0, there is 10,094. Therefore, we are getting the value here as 10,094. And that is the answer of question number 3, 10,094. Right? Now we will solve question number 4. Question number 4 is 9.7 into 9.8. Now we will solve question number 4. Now question number 4 here you see is 9.7 into 9.8. It can be written as 9.7 into 9.8 as 10 minus 0.3 into 10 minus 0.2. We'll use this identity that x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. That we are getting 10 square plus a plus b plus a plus b. We're getting in the second bracket. A is minus 0.3, right? A is minus 0.3 plus b is also minus 0.2 minus 0.2 a plus b into x. X is 10. X is 10 plus ab. A is minus 0.3 minus 0.3 and b is also minus 0.2, right? Therefore we are getting 10 square, that is 100, 1 0 0 plus, here we are getting plus, in first bracket you can write 0. Minus 0.3 minus plus and minus is minus 0.2 into 100 Minus into minus is plus. 0.3 into 0.6 is 0. That is 0.06, 0.06. And we are getting 100. It will be minus 0.5 into 100. 0.5 into 100. 100 into 0.5. That is we are getting 500. And 0 is cut. Therefore, we are getting 0.5. It is 10. It is not 100. It is 10 actually. It is 10, right? Therefore, we are getting it is 10. Therefore, we are getting the value 100 plus 0. Or can add minus 0.5 into 10 plus 0.06, right? And we are getting 100 minus 0.5 into 10. 0.5 into 10 is 5 plus 0.06. Then we are getting as 100.06 minus 5. We subtract this one, 100.06 minus 500 minus 5 minus 5.00. Then we are getting 60.5 carry 1 95.06. Therefore, we are getting 95.06, and that is the answer of question number 4. 95.06. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.